You should watch this video completely if you're planning to buy OnePlus Nord CE4 because in this video I'll tell you about 2 serious hardware problems that some users are facing on this phone. Also, I'll tell you 3 reasons why you should go for some other phone instead of buying OnePlus Nord CE4. OnePlus Nord CE4 comes with great features like a Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor, a big 5500 mAh battery with 100-watt fast charging, and a display with IP54 water resistance. However, many people are facing serious problems on this phone, and these problems will not be solved by software updates. The first problem that I'm going to talk about is green line issue. Some OnePlus Nord CE4 users are facing green line issue. This problem can happen because of many reasons like the phone overheating due to continuous gaming or installing a new software update, pressure damage or water damage. However, this is definitely a hardware problem because the red and blue LEDs in the display are already dead and only green LEDs are left, and the only solution is to change the display. The second problem that I'm going to talk about is also another display problem. This video was shared by a user who was facing flickering on his OnePlus Nord CE4, as you can see in the video here. This can be a hardware issue, but there are also chances that this is a software bug which might be fixed in coming updates. Now coming to the 3 reasons why you should not buy this phone. The first reason is that there is heating issue when you're using this phone for continuous gaming or even when you're using 5G internet continuously. The second main reason is that the camera system does not work properly with stabilization on and the videos does not come out good in 4K. And the third reason is that the phone only comes with 8GB RAM variant and there is no 12GB RAM variant. This is a big problem for people who use multiple apps at the same time because the apps that are working in background are closed by the phone because of lack of RAM availability. If you want to add something more to what I have said, please mention them in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.